What's good, people? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Put your shades on. So me and Scarlett are en route to the airport, going on a little daddy-daughter adventure for a couple of days. What are we doing? Yeah. So we're going to Palma in Spain, and we're renting a camper van from near the airport, and we're going to go straight into the national park, and we're going to camp in the mountains for a couple of days, and we're going to find some cool shit to do. Haven't we? We can have loads of fun?
Yeah.
Push. Us. This one.
We're off to get our camper van.
We're off to get our camper van. We haven't really got anything planned yet. Let's just get the van, find some cool places, see where the journey takes us. Palm trees in Palma. We've just picked up our van. That's the bed.
It's very comfortable. This is the front.
That's the front. And that's the back. We need to find a supermarket, we need to go get some food. So we've just been shopping. We are going to go and find a petrol station now to fill the water tank so that we can have a shower in the morning. And then we're going to find somewhere to go and have our dinner, aren't we? We just had dinner in the van, haven't we? Where now?
The mountain.
To the mountain. Just parked up for the night. We actually got stuck. So good morning from the wilderness. See, this is what it's about. We had the most uncomfortable sleep ever. Not because the van is uncomfortable, but because it was like 35 degrees all night with no fan. The van's like a fucking sauna. But beautiful.
When you're in places hot, you always need sunscreen.
Early morning hike. New little explorer. La Trapa.
La Trapa. We're looking for lizards and snakies on our hike today.
Have you seen any animals so far?
Yeah, I've seen a moth.
A moth?
That's the thing that's making that terrible noise.
They're very loud, aren't they? What a view. We are on our descent, make our way back to the van, we got some food, and then we're going to jump on Google Maps, see what else there is about. Absolutely incredible way to start our first morning. Whoop, see? Start our first morning in Palma. What do I eat on the go? Fuck off. Liquid egg whites. Perfect on the go. Protein. disgusting. Does the job. Nice fresh papaya, a kiwi, some caffeine. So we're currently en route to the opposite side of Palma Island. We're going to go to a safari park. Hopefully we get to feed some zebras and do some really cool shit. We've just spent the last 2 hours with the police because we're driving down the highway and a car coming towards us, their back wheel come flying off and smashed straight into the front of our van. I got the whole thing on video. I don't know how. Absolutely mad. Very lucky, it could have ended much worse. Luckily the tyres smashed into the bottom of the van and not through our fucking windscreen. Damage with this van, I mean as far as I'm aware, it's driving fine, it's got no front bumper, the front's just smashed off.
Yeah, but it already has.
It's not my van anyway, so I don't care to be honest with you, as long as I get my deposit back.
That already has loads of things broken.
No, it's all good. Anyway, off to the safari park now.
We're at the animal park.
Is that a real zebra?
No.
Are you sure? It looks like it. The safari train has ended, so they've given us a smart car and it's got leopard print wheels.
Hello, Rhino.
He's huge, isn't he?
Look at the zebras. Only one man.
You stood up.
I can see a zebra.
How close do you think you can get to the zebra? Please come over. Please. Scarlett left, bud. Hello, beautiful. What's your favourite animal so far?
I can't choose in between two, the rhino or the hippopotamus.
Is it? Do you know what mine is?
What?
Guess.
Zebra.
The zebra.
Blue wildebeest. They look so funny.
Hey, blue.
Wallaby basically.
Albino.
Yeah. Albino.
Albino.
Don't try to bite me. Oh, hey.
Friendly. That's so cool.
Can I bite? Daddy, he's licking my handle.
He likes you. Go friend.
We've seen lots of animals and now we're having a break.
What's this?
This snake head in it. Let's get in with him.
Oh, we had a sick time at the safari park. Didn't we, little babe? Have you leopard wheels? Saw some cool animals. Should we go get some ice lollies? Yeah, boy. Hey.
Bye-bye, Zoo. One more time before we leave. Who are the two best friends?
Two best friends in the whole wide world.
Who?
Me and you.
Ooh.
Welcome to the wild side.
Me and my daddy got lollies.
A chicken just crossed the fucking road.
What?
Scarlett, why did the chicken cross the road? Where are you? You're too left on. Yeah, keep it.
Oh, by the way, look what I found. To go to my collection of sea glass,
Well.
we're having dinner. I got peach juice and I did pineapple.
Peach.
I'm having yellow lemon. And I got this.
Cheers, boy. So we're now driving back towards Palma. We're going to go to the big water park in the morning. So it's about an hour drive, so we're heading that way now, and we'll sleep somewhere near there. Maybe go go for a little walk in the morning, go to the beach, and yeah, then go to the water park. Good morning, people. We had a fucking shit night's sleep again.
It was better.
Yeah, it was a bit better. We got a little handheld electric fan, helped a little bit, not really though. It died pretty quick. Like, you're in a tin box, and it's like 30 degrees, and you can't have windows open because mosquitoes come in. Breakfast on the go. Protein, papaya, yummy fruit, caffeine, baby.
I've already had my granola and I'm gonna have a banana.
Having a banana. See, this is what I love about van life, right? You can just be anywhere at any time. It's just next level freedom. You've got no shoes on, Gypsy.
I'm Rapunzel.
Look at that.
Papaya!
Papaya, papaya. Beautiful.
We're going to the water park.
Where should we go?
I want to go into the pool now.
You go that way? Let's have a look around. Go. We've literally been in the water park from opening till closing. 6 o'clock now, so we need to go get some food, don't we?
Yeah.
Had a good day?
Yeah.
What did we go on?
We went on the...
Everything.
Yeah.
The palm trees look nice. Palm trees?
Me and my dad were out and
Yeah, cool. Good morning, people. We were awoke very early this morning because of that cunt. He decided he was going to stand here, scream like.
Good morning, people. Today we are going cliff jumping.
You must be super brave.
Yeah.
How brave are you?
Super brave.
Fresh watermelon. Good. Show me your muscles, Chip. Your daddy muscles. We're going for a little early morning hike.
Swim if it's safe.
Swim if it's safe.
The water's beautiful. Yeah, I really want to go in.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Well, we can't fit it's safe.
So we're going to go drop our van back now and then get a taxi to the airport, come on.
Bye, guys.
Right, say bye to everyone and thanks for coming on our adventure.
Bye, and thank you for coming on our